Hey guys, welcome to another episode called Hanaa Hacks AI, your shortcut to working smarter with AI. And today we're going to be learning about this tool called SuperAGI for Sales to supercharge your sales game. Now, this tool, as you can see, is packed with powerful features. It has AI CRM, AI journeys, and so much more. But we are going to start small. So, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to find a lead, get information about them, and write a sales email in just a few clicks. So, let's get cracking. So you will need to go to sales.superagi.com to get through the whole sign up process, and there will be a get started help here for you that you can go through. But for today, I'm going to be showing you how to find a company and a lead. So you click on the word prospect here on the left side, and then click on the prospect company. And for now, I'm just going to be teaching you how to search a company. So if you have the company name, do you put the company name over here? Or if you don't have the company name, you can go with the company size, the industry, the technology, and you can just fill out this whole thing over here, right? So I just want to target my own company, Leadapreneur. So I will click on Leadapreneur here. So in the company portfolio over here, you can read the whole thing, or you can also go to employees. So once you go to the employee section, you can see who you want to target. So for today, I will be targeting Jan, the CEO. So once I click on Jan, you can read on a little bit, or you can say add to leads. So when you add the person to lead, then you can get their email, their phone number, and the market research about them. So this is what we're trying to do right now. Once you have this added to your lead, you click on the button here called market research, and it will take a few minutes, but it will generate the market research. So in another video I was recording, I did the market research on Kamalia already. So I'll be showing you that screen and we'll be using that text to go on ChatGPT. Okay, so now that the market research has been generated, you're going to copy paste, of course, read it through, and then copy paste it into ChatGPT. And then I'll be giving you the prompt to use to craft the email. Now that you have your market research on the lead, you're going to come to ChatGPT and you'll be using this prompt over here that I will give you in the description below. And you'll be replacing the name of the person, the product and service that you're selling, and you will say use this information to write a concise and informal cold outreach email. There you go, your email is ready. You can read it and give it a tweak up to your liking. You have the email already from Super Sales AGI. You just have to send the email and you're done for the day. Well, I hope you like this video and you'll be using Super Sales AGI with me as I also discover this tool, and we shall be on this journey together. So keep tuned for the next video and keep using AI.